And then Opus is going to chop it up into like 20 different videos. So you now have a cheat code on how to make content using Opus clips, and it's free.
Okay.
They have a free version. Let me put it that way.
So basically you load the video in there and it'll do it.
Man, it chops it up. It adds B-roll. When I tell you this AI stuff is crazy.
Yeah.
I know people who've literally reduced their marketing team costs by thousands by using AI. And you don't got to worry about somebody calling in sick, people being in their feelings and not wanting to work.
Right.
Like, yeah.
That's powerful. I know I've already, like, I know some of the I don't even want to make excuses. Well, I just gotta do it, because it's like now there's really no excuse.
Yeah, no,
at this point.
No, we're gonna dig in, and this is a part of what we're gonna work on, is really helping you get that foundation laid. Some of the things you may do may get uncomfortable, but that's a part of growth. With